Equipment Cable Tester, UDP cable, telephone cable etc. Order and connectivity test can save testing report if special number need customized can detect the near end, mid end and far end fault point of the network cable crystal head. RJ45TDR cable test. Test cable pair status, length, attenuation, reflectivity, impedance, skew etc. Can create test report.
PO testing. O can test the information of standard PO device, such as PO voltage, power supply polarity, power supply mode and also the type of PSE of, or at standard. A DIMM-PA HD test, 3840 by 2160 p15 nav PS. For zoom, video record and playback, coaxial PTZ and call OSD menu. Network tool, ping, LP scan, port flash, DHCP server, trace route. There are many more features waiting for you to discover.